Welcome back to our College Park new build. As you can see, framing is almost done. We are sheathing the roof right now. So come on inside so we can show you what the plan is. So right as you walk in here, you're gonna have this arched opening, and just beyond this arch opening is gonna be this vaulted barrel ceiling. So right when you come in, you're gonna have this big opening that's going to be real showstopper for everybody coming in. So let's walk in and see what else we got going on. So where I'm standing right now is the gathering room. So in this room, this is gonna be the hangout spot. We'll have this beautiful fireplace right up against the wall, TV right on top. In this section, we're gonna have this gorgeous lookout to the pool area. And then just on the other side of me, you have this gorgeous 10-foot island that's gonna be another big hangout spot. This is gonna be our range wall. And just above this range wall, we have this brass hood that's gonna run all the way up to these 10-foot ceilings. So it's gonna be a real call-out feature of this house.